It's Ivy. Welcome to the coupon camp. It is time for Dollar General's Do Now deals of the week, and the laundry is stacking with tons of things. So let's make sure we do those deals, guys, because when I say do now, that means that coupon might leave or it might stay. So let's go. Okay, guys, let's start right over here. And this coupon is back. I love this coupon on the Lysol right here. This is $7.35. We have a $3 coupon that's back. Okay, we're gonna scan it. And when we scan it, it's $7.35. And look at that, guys. We have a $3 manufacturer coupon. I see some awesome 5 off 25 deals that's gonna hit. Let's continue. And you have Clorox, guys. The real Clorox bleach, that's $5.50. And when we scan it, $5.50. We have a $1 off coupon, making that $4.50. That's an awesome deal. Now, sometimes it'll match to this one. That's $8. $8, yeah, and that $1 coupon matches, making it $7. Now don't forget, this also, the True Living bleach is on sale for $6.25. It has a $1 off coupon, so pick which one you want the most. I will probably do this one this week because it is the real Clorox bleach and not their generic off-brand. Okay, guys, so we're over here by the trash bags because it is a deal going on, but your store need to have the product. Okay, let me show you what it is. And it is going to be on the multi-purpose trash bags. You need to look for the True Living 33-gallon 48 count. They're supposed to be $4.95, and that $1 coupon is working, making them $3.95. If you can find them, guys, that's the one you want to get because it is a value size and it is the best for your cash. And I do not see any. I'm going to check a couple of more stores before I use my $1 coupon, so make sure you look around. Okay, but I want to let you guys know that that is a glitch. Hey guys, let's get to the goodies. We're going to start right here at the Palmolive. Now, if you can find the Palmolive, that's $2.75. That is the one you want to use, $2.75. And they gave us a 75-cent coupon, making it $2. Okay, but now let's look down here. See the Ajax. The Ajax is, you want to scan the Ajax. Now, one of these Ajaxes are coming up $1.80, and it's the $1 coupon is attaching. You want to scan and see which one it is. Now, this store does not even carry any Ajax for $1.85. Okay, so the thing is that it might have been a clearance Ajax, but let me show you the coupon and then I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's $4. You have a $1 coupon. Open that coupon up. That shows you everything this coupon will attach to, including glitches. Okay, you're going to go down. Now you see that Ajax right there? That's $1.85. It says it has one in stock, but I don't believe it. Now you want to make sure you look for the exact one that says 25 ounces up there, and it looks like that. Okay, orange. So that is another glitch or option you want to look for. Also look up there because that will show you up there also on top. Let's start these awesome crazy laundry deals. First thing we're going to do is go to the Purex, $5.75. Then you want to look 2 for $10. So you're going to pay 5 each. Then you have the spend 20, save 5. If you want to add other products to that, you can to lower your out of pocket. But as of now, if you just do the 2 Purexes, they're 2 for $10 or $5 each. Okay. I want to start with the awesome Gain deals right here. Scan your Gain. Gain is $4.50. We have a number of deals. First of all, we have a $1.55 manufacturer coupon, and they're $4.50. I see a fantastic 5 off 25 coming. Then you have the spend 30, save 10. 5, spend 30, save 5. Do not hit that coupon, because if you do, when you spend that 30, it's not going to take that 10 off. It's going to take that. Then you have 3 for $10. Okay, now some people still got extra coupons on it. I did not, but this is enough for me. So 3 for $10. So that DG coupon, 3 for $10, and then this manufacturer will stack. All right, making that $10, and then take away $1.55. $8.45. Divide that by 3. You're going to pay $2.87. Now that's on, if you want to try that deal, try the game. Now you can make this deal sweeter if you receive the $1.55 off the softener. I did not receive that coupon, guys, okay? So I cannot even show it to you. And I talked to my sister and she did not receive it. So that did not work for me or her. So just scan it, $4.50 and no coupon. So I did not receive that coupon. $10 for 3, then you take $1.55 off the fling, and then you're going to take $1.55 off of the Gain softener. You're down to $6.90. Divide that by 3 and you'll pay $2.30. Now each one of those Gains is supposed to have a coupon. I did not have that coupon. All right, so let me try one more, and this is the reason why I tell you to go in the store and do these deals and scan. Okay, see, no coupon for that one. Now what you have to do, scan all the ones that is going under that $10 coupon. Another one, I did not get it, so make sure you scan them, because this is happy. Let's see, and I did not get that one. Oh, here it is. I got $1, but that is a DG coupon, and it does not go with the 3 for $10 offer. So make sure you read those deals good. Another thing the 3 for $10 goes for is the powder. Here it is. The powder right here is $5 each. That 3 for $10 goes for it. That's an awesome deal because you automatically saving $5 right there. We have this Gain right here at $7.50. You also have $1.55 off coupon. All right, it scan this Gain right here. That's $9.95. The flings 31 count. When I scan it, tells me that it's $9.95. Look, guys, tons of coupons. Your $1.55 coupon, manufacturer, $2 off coupon. Dollar General, it stacks. Okay, that'll stack. So let's do the math. $9.95, take away $2 and take away that $1.55, and that's $6.40 for this. Now the thing is, that's a great any day deal. If you're gonna do it on for the 5 off 25, you need to cover that $2 like we do in my videos. I show you to cover those $2. Okay, remember guys, the coupons are still loading because I have not received that $4 off Gain coupon as of yet. Okay, I lied. Here it is right here. So you have the Gain Older Plus Defense, the flings, they're 60 count, $15.95. $15.95. Guys, we got tons of coupon. $1.55 off manufacturer. That will stack with this $4 Gain coupon, or Dollar General coupon, okay, making that $5.55 off. That is an awesome deal. So I would even skip this altogether and just do that deal right there. Okay, awesome. Gain deals are hot. If you guys sell Gain, you know that's the one place to be. Now per seal, my fave is $5.50, $5.50. We have a $1.50 off coupon, manufacturer, and we also had a spend 20, get $5 off. So you can pair that, okay? You can grab that, and then you can grab the 2 for $10 of the Purex and use that all together. Let's get to some Tide deals, okay? Because we do not want to skip over something that everyone loves, and that is Tide. Okay, Tide, that $5.50 coupon. Look at that, you have a $2.05 off coupon. Okay, so that is making it $3.55 for that 9XL a Tide Boost. Now we're going to go to the Tide XL with Downy in it, and it is 18XL. It's $9.95. We have 2 coupons stacking, $2.05 manufacturer and a $2 Dollar General coupon. Okay, making that $5.90. There it is. My brain ain't that good with couponing, but that one it is gonna do. Okay, now let's scan some more coupons. This one right here, let's scan some more. This one is $19.95. Again, it has a $2.05 coupon that you also can stack with that spend 30 save 10. Okay, If we go to the Tide 32XL count for $15.95, we see that it's $15.95. Look, $2.05 coupon stacking with that $4 Dollar General coupon. That makes a great any day deal. But if you guys want me to do a spend 30 save 10, let me know on your next deal. In fact, I'm just going to do one of the deals, so be looking out for that video. Okay, now let's turn over here to the Downies. We're going to go to the Downy. That's $10.95. We scan it as $10.95. It is a couple of coupons that's stacking. This $1.55 off manufacturer and 2 for $16 DG coupon. They will stack with each other. $16. Take away your $1. $1.55, $14.45, divide that by 2, and you'll pay $7.22 for it. I did not get a coupon for either of these Downies, but remember, the coupons are still loading, guys, so don't fret. Some of your coupons are loaded up while you're in the store. See, yeah, I didn't get that yet, so I'm going to hold off until I get that. Guys, it is plenty more coupon deals that I did not get to. I don't want this video to be long, so be looking out for one again, kind of another scan video, okay? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. This coupon count. Bye.